Hi, subscribe to my channel Shobha Rana for more.
In this space, Ekta, when you are accepting the other person for who they are becoming, you're accepting yourself also for who you are becoming. How do you draw a clear boundaries that the relationship still stays? I know, I'll tell you where I'm coming from. I'm coming from a space that when you increase your circle of acceptance for the other person, how far do you stretch it that the relationship is still existing? Once you start accepting everything, कि चलो इसका रूटीन नहीं अलाउ कर रहा है तो ये भी चलेगा, चलो अभी ये कंपैटिबिलिटी नहीं हो रहा तो ये भी चलेगा, चलो अभी ये इवनिंग पर्सन है मैं मॉर्निंग हूँ तो हमारा को कॉमन ग्राउंड नहीं मिल रहा तो ये भी चलेगा. ये करते 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 आप साथ में करोगे क्या फिर?
So coming back to the same thing.
सो हाउ डू यू इंश्योर दैट आप इतना नहीं स्ट्रेच कर रहे हो एक्सेप्टेंस को,
Right.
या करवा रहे हो दूसरे इंसान से कि आप साथ में जो हो और जो फील करते हो वो ही खत्म होते जा रहा है धीरे धीरे.
तो I was coming back to that. क्या हो जाता है कि अगर आपकी differences है, you know that of course you both are, you shouldn't be growing apart. You should be growing up together. There's a difference. जब आप grow कर रहे हो तो you shouldn't be literally taking or get derailed completely. It doesn't mean that you're supposed to completely walk on two different paths. It just means कि even if you're growing, even if your partner is growing, it has to be parallel. And somewhere कि कहीं ना कहीं पे आप कहीं पे meet कर रहे हो, again you're growing, you're meeting again, which means that even if there are certain things that you are evolving or maybe you're changing in you, you also have to communicate this with your partner and find a midpoint जहाँ पे let's do things that works for both of us. So those nuanced activities or gives you a whole new feeling altogether.
या एंड आई थिंक ये इतना आसान भी नहीं है, वरना सब लोग बहुत इजीली कर लेते हैं. इसके लिए एक एफर्ट लगता है. इट्स अ प्रैक्टिस.
जैसे आप
वन
सुबह
हैज
उठे
टू.
आप सुबह उठे तो आई थिंक आपके हर दिन के प्रैक्टिस की वजह से यू मेड इट अ पॉइंट दैट ओ आई हैव टू वेक अप, आई हैव टू ब्रश माय टीथ, आई हैव टू टेक शावर, आई हैव टू डू दिस, आई हैव टू डू दैट, आई हैव टू डू दैट. तो आपने एक रिचुअल बनाया, अपनी रूटीन बनाया, राइट? यू रियलाइज दैट आई हैव टू डू दीज थिंग्स टू फील एंड बी हाइजीनिक. तो यही सारी चीजें ये आपने बनाई ना, अपने आपको बचपन से कंडीशन किया गया है. तो एवरी सिंगल डे नाउ सपोज इफ टुडे if I wake up and I stop doing these things, then what? So you have to basically work on it every single day to create that novelty in your relationship, to create that newness in it, to basically look at it from a nuanced perspective कि अच्छा हम दोनों grow तो हो रहे हैं. And what happens, I see the biggest problem in today's relationship is even if you both are becoming different version of you than who you were earlier, एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं आती, रैडिकल एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं आता कि अच्छा आई हैव टू रैडिकली एक्सेप्ट द पर्सन इज चेंजिंग, राइट? But also at the same time, let me figure out how we both can work it out together by doing things that we both like. So, चाहे अब दोनों की individual life है, but there are few things which are like a ritual for both of you. That's something that gives that fresh feeling, something that you look forward to. कि अच्छा, weekend में we have a ritual, we go out for bowling. Maybe we do this, we do that. It brings that newness. Also, it gives you thrill. Also, it makes you feel कि चलो ये चीज पे काम नहीं हो रही है, यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है, तो और तो बहुत सारी चीजें. So what happens, you both actually look forward to that thing, that activity, and that gives you that thrill, that keeps you up in your relationship.